guys, welcome to next lecture. It's me Hassan from UTech, and in this lecture we will cover up the PHP conditional statements. What are PHP conditional statements and how these work? So before going further, I want to tell you, very often when you write a code, you want to perform different actions for different conditions. So you can use conditional statement in your code to do this. For example, a user is logging into your website and if the password is wrong, so the PHP conditionals will take care of that statement. For example, if you have an e-commerce website and your inventory is empty and someone wants to buy that specific product which inventory is empty. So how that user know the inventory is empty and you can't buy this? PHP conditional can be used inside this. So the user will be informed that you can't purchase this, it's out of inventory, and lots of things like that. In simple words, PHP conditionals are like if this, then that. So if this is possible, this is true, then do that. And there are 4 specific kinds of PHP conditionals. First one is if statement. If statement executes some code if the condition is true. Second one is if else statement. Executes some code if the condition is true, like first one, and the condition is not true, then it also execute the another code which is not true. Third one is if else if statement. If else if and else statement execute different codes for more than 2 conditions. Last one is switch statement. In switch statements, selects one of the many blocks of the code to be executed. It means you will have so many blocks and the condition will match. After that matching, that will execute that specific block in which the condition is matching. So this is one example of first kind if statement, how this PHP conditionals work. If this, do that, simple as that. Like you can see here, if the variable a is equal to 15, execute this code, otherwise don't. And how to write the if statement? If and then small brackets, and in small brackets you have to define the condition. Here the condition is if $a variable a is greater than 10, then execute this statement. So it's greater than 15, this condition is true, so it will execute this code. And if condition will not match, it will execute nothing because condition is not true. So open your code editor and I will show you how to do this in a real life example. Inside your code editor, start with the PP syntax. Here define a variable like cars equal to 10. Now the if statement, if small brackets, curly braces, and keep this simple like this. Here we will put the condition, and the condition we will put is if cars are greater than 10, then execute this code, echo cars are greater than 10. Save and increase here 20. Reload the page and you can see cars are greater than 10 because our condition is true. Our variable cars is greater than 20, so this condition is true, it executed this code. What if the condition is not true? Like we have 5 cars, so this condition is not true. What will happen? You will see nothing because this condition is not true, so it's not showing this code. This is a simple kind of if statement. Practice this and I will see you in the next lecture.